Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. As the month of November is beginning now, we're going to be talking about 3 top altcoins to buy right now for the month of November. So if we take a look right here in the past 24 hours, the market is currently up about 0.66%. Our top gainers here in the past 24 hours are going to be storage. This one is up about 59.04%, trading at $1.78. We have our highest volume, which is Bitcoin, at 31.9 billion in volume, 17.3 billion on Ethereum. Bitcoin is down about 1.3%, trading right under 62,000. Ethereum is down about 1.5%, trading right under 4,300. But we are seeing this uptrend, obviously, here Sunday night into Monday morning, which is obviously something good and something positive, as Ethereum is right around the all-time high area. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is about 5,000 or 6,000 away from that area. Now, if we take a look at all these other altcoins, they're starting to make a pop as well. So Solana back over $200, as in yesterday's video when we talked about it. It was trading at around 180, I believe. Now we're up actually about 6.5%. So a little bit of a comeback. Ripple is up 2.5%. Doge is even back into the 28 cents area, close to the 30s here, so high 20s. Shiba Inu down about 1.5% or so. And as we can see, most of these other altcoins are either down 1% or 2 or up 1% or 2, with some outliers obviously in the market. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It takes just 1 second. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you going to be buying in the month of November. So let's get into it. The first altcoin is going to be Phantom FTM. So Phantom right here is up about 6.3% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $2.87. It was at lows at one point of $2.57 during the day. Here in the past week, we're up about 12.5%. Past month, 138%, with highs of over $3.48 at one point here. In the past year, this coin is up over 17,745%, which is insane, obviously. So last November, this was trading at around 1 cent, almost 2 cents, and now we're trading at 2.87. So insane momentum right there. If anybody got into this coin, obviously, $1,000 at 1,000% would be $10,000. So if you actually do the math right here, $1,000 invested into this coin would be over $170,000 in profit if you would have held it for a year or so. So that is insane. Just to imagine just throwing some money into these random coins, and this was what could have pretty much happened in the past year or so. So Phantom has been on a massive run here, hitting highs in May, obviously at around $1. Pulled back down here to about 18 cents here in July, and then from that area start to skyrocket on up higher and higher. So even from that area, it's up over 1,000% or so just in the past few months. Current market cap on this coin is going to be at 7.4 billion. Volume is going to be at 670.1 million, which is about 19.5% lower than usual. Obviously here, all-time high at 348, like we said. This coin just continues to hit higher highs and lower lows. With the market cap, approaching that 10 billion market cap, we're going to be watching it very closely to see how far this one can go. Once we, get past that 10 to 15 billion market cap, I feel like a lot of these momentum coins start to slow down a little bit as that market cap continues to grow and get higher and higher. It takes a lot more volume and a lot more, power to get these coins to move, and that's kind of the tipping point right there that we're always looking for. So we've already seen a hit here, highs at 350 or so, which is about a 60-70 cents upside from where we're at right now. And if we were looking at that would be over a 10 billion market cap or close to a 10 billion market cap. So guys, Phantom is going to be our first altcoin on the list. Our second altcoin is going to be Elrond, so EGLD. This one right here, Elrond is currently up about 5.2% in the past 24 hours from lows of 252. Currently, we're trading at $276. In the past week, we're actually down about 2.7%. We saw this, quick dip down here to 228 and came back down, or came back up all the way to where it was previously. In the past month, this coin is up about 31.5% with highs here of almost over $300 at one point. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 3,495%. So this one last year was trading at around $7 in November. Hit highs here in February at almost $200. Pulled back down, came back even higher here during the massive bull run that we had in April at 240. Then as the market pulled back down and we had that flash crash type situation, as the market continued to actually pull back down, this one hit lows of under $60 here in June. And then obviously from there, it made about a 300% gain from July all the way up here to about September. So if we take a look, obviously just in about 2 months or so, you could have made from about a 200, 300% gain on this coin, which is massive. You know, $1,000 invested into this coin, and in 2 months you make $2,000, $3,000 profit. In my eyes, that is a massive gain. In other people's eyes, that might be a little gain, but 100%, 200%, even 300% gain, those are some massive gains for me, in my opinion, because in a stock market, I'm used to not seeing those type of gains. So with the crypto market, those gains are insane, but for most crypto investors, they're very little. So almost 3,500% here just in the past year or so on Elrond. So it's been making some huge moves here, as you guys can already tell. Market cap is currently at 5.4 billion on this coin. Volume is definitely rising, and volume is definitely a key player with a lot of these momentum plays, because as the volume picks up, there could be a supply versus demand type situation, which can cause these coins to continue to go even higher and higher. So currently this one is at 111.9 million volume right there, which is 48% higher than usual. $302 is the all-time high, which we saw here September 13th, and we almost saw it here just a few days ago, actually, when it hit 297. So it was right under $300 here on October 25th. So we're gonna be watching Elrond to continue this momentum on higher and see where we end the year off. Are we gonna be able to make maybe 100% gain on this coin in the next month or two? So we're gonna be watching very, very closely for a 10 billion market cap or even higher. Same thing as we talked about with Phantom in the previous coin. So guys, those are the two coins, and then the third coin is going to be a massive momentum play that's been running lately. It's going to be Avalanche. So AVAX, this one is up about 1.7% from lows of $60 at one point. Now it's trading at $64.27 in the past 24 hours. In the past week, this one is pretty much flat with highs up here, obviously $75. In the past month, this one is down 3.7% from highs of 82. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 1,645%. So last November, this coin was trading at $3.33. We saw highs here in February, pretty much same pattern as Elrond. Pull back down, but this one consolidated here during the bull market in April and May, and it kept on trading here in the 20s and 30s back and forth. Then as the market pulled back down, so did this. We went to lows of under $10 at one point. And then from that $10 range, we went all the way up to about 80, which is about a 700% gain from July here until September. So in 2 months, over 700% profit. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Avalanche Coin in July 20th, and you sold here at the top or close to the top in September, you would have made about a $7,000 profit there. Even here as it dipped and came back up, you would still be up about $5,000 or about 500% or so. So still massive gains were made here on Avalanche for anybody that got in. If you guys take a look down here, 14.1 billion market cap, a little bit higher than the two previous coins. Volume is up 8% higher than usual at 380.2 million. Typical hold time is going to be 9 days. People are in and out of this one. It's a momentum play. 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity, and is ranked the number 11 coin on the list. So this one is gaining momentum, guys. Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable, smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets as well. So this coin is definitely an interesting one and a huge momentum play, in my opinion. As long as this momentum continues to go throughout the rest of the year, there's going to be some happy investors. So guys, Avalanche is going to be our third coin and final one on this list. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said, first of all, Solana making a nice move here, up about almost 6% or so in the past 24 hours, 8.3% actually. It continues to go higher from lows down here of about 185 or so. Now we're trading at highs of 208. So this coin continues to go higher and higher, close to those all-time high areas around the 220 area. So this just continues to move on higher and higher as we called that coin when it was trading at $20 or $30. It's continuing to boom. Dogecoin up 6%, like we said. Even Shiba Inu now has turned green while we're recording. So Doge almost at 30 cents. Shiba Inu still in the 6 area, close to the 7 area. So we're still a little bit far away from the all-time high. But Dogecoin is winning the race right now. Currently about 300 million more in market cap compared to Shiba Inu. So then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down about 1.3% here in the past 24 hours from 62,000 all the way to lows down here to 60,000. Now we came back up here Sunday night into Monday morning. In the past week, this one's up 1%. In the past month, 40%. And then in the 1 year chart, 367% as Bitcoin continues to rise on higher and higher. 1.2 trillion market cap, 36% of the crypto market space currently. 31.9 billion in volume, which is about 1% lower than usual. 79% or 79 day typical hold time, 58% buy activity, and 42% sell activity on Bitcoin. If we take a look at what Ethereum is doing, this one is down about 1.5% here in the past 24 hours, hitting lows down here of about 4,168 with highs up here of almost 4,400, but we're almost actually back to where we were starting at the weekend. So Ethereum hasn't really lost much over the weekend. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has. If we take a look here in the past week, this one's up 3.7% still. In the past month, 51.7%. And then on the 1 year chart, 989% as it continues to rise on higher and higher. Right there by the all-time high, obviously, only about $50 or $60 away from that area. Current market cap on Ethereum is $509.4 billion, so over $500 billion. 16% of the crypto market space, 17.3 billion volume here, 15% higher than usual. 79-day typical hold time, which is actually the same as Bitcoin, as you guys can see. 66% buy activity and 34% sell activity. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, similar pattern right there, both down about 1% or so, making a comeback here, and we're hoping for a green weekend. Obviously, hoping for Ethereum to continue this momentum on higher and break through those all-time high areas. I would not be surprised to see, Ethereum trading at over $5,000 in the next few weeks, destroying those all-time high areas, as usually Ethereum lags behind Bitcoin's all-time highs and momentums by a few weeks. So I would not be surprised to see Ethereum make a huge run in the next couple of weeks, guys. You let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think Ethereum will reach $5,000 per coin by the end of 2021? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Show some support. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand this is a high risk, high reward type situation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.